Morara na tutashukuru.
Now, the National Olympics Committee of Kenya, led by Chief de Mission Shadrack Maluki and the Games CEO Wanjiru Karani, is in Paris to have a look at some of the Olympic Games venues and attend meetings with the Paris 2024 Games organizers to understand key functional areas. Besides the venue, the team also met with Paris 2024 key functional teams to discuss ticketing, protocol, logistics, competition, and visa issuance.
We know the facilities that have been ready, or those which are trying to make them ready, to ensure that our team, which is coming to this place, is really capable of delivering what we want them to deliver. Because we know without infrastructure, our team will not perform well. So we are the advanced team to ensure that the facilities or the infrastructure is up to date.
It's going to be an electric, atmosphere during the athletics. That one I can be sure about it, because everybody is looking forward to the Olympics. And let me tell you, as much as the Olympics is all the games, but let me tell you, when it comes to athletics, which is normally at the end of every Olympic Games, that is the place to be and the time to be.
Runda View and Kangemi Wazoefu clinched the girls and boys